Pinakro with sago. Ayan guys. You know. Halagang 20 sago at 30 gata. At libreng saba ng saging dito sa bakura namin. Yan. December 21, 2024. Merienda tayo guys. Thank you Lord sa biyaya. You know.
Ayan, magtitinda na tayo.
Tinda na kami guys ito. Soon. Yan guys, so. Sarap-sarap. Pakro with sago. Oyo. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow. You know. Oh yes.